Welcome to NDT training class. Myself Santosh. Today we are going to pick up first topic, that is dye penetrant test. In this class you will learn what is dye penetrant test, why dye penetrant test, and how the process will go. As I said, we will first learn about the basic principle behind this technique, and we'll see what scientific principle for this particular technique is based on. And then once we learn, we will go on to see what are the parameters and so on. Here, dye penetrant test is one of the technique in non-destructive testing, and here code of procedure for dye penetrant testing is ASME section 5 article 6. In this, ASME means American Society for Mechanical Engineers, and section 5 is the non-destructive testing, and article 6 is the dye penetrant test. And why this dye penetrant test? Why? Because to identify surface opening defects like cracks, blowholes, pinholes, porosity, etc. And basic principle of this dye penetrant test is capillary action. And in this dye penetrant test, what is penetrant? So penetrant, it is colored low viscosity liquid. Here, what is viscosity? Viscosity is resistance to flow of liquid. Viscosity of good penetrant is 0 to 5 centistokes, and temperature limitation is 5 to 52 degrees centigrade. In this video, you can see how this process is going on. Step 1, cleaning. Clean the surface thoroughly with white cloth by applying cleaner. Step 2, penetrant application. Apply the penetrant with 1 feet distance and 45 degrees angle, and wait for the dwell time 10 minutes. Step 3, removal of excess penetrant. Clean the excess penetrant over the surface using the cloth. Again clean the surface with the cleaner applied cloth. Step 4, developer application. Apply the developer over the surface and wait for the dwell time. Now you can see the defect indication. Coming to theoretical class, what is the procedure for dye penetrant test? So, first surface preparation, second application of penetrant, next penetrant dwell time, excess penetrant remove, dry time, application of developer, developer dwell time, inspection, report writing, post cleaning. So types of surface cleaning method. We have variety of surface cleaning methods here. One is solvent cleaning, steam cleaning, ultrasonic cleaning, and sandblasting. Types of penetrants. We have two types of penetrants, that is fluorescent and visible. This class was basic introduction of dye penetrant test. So I will stop here today. For deep explanation, we will learn from next class onwards. Thanks for your attention.